Hi there, my name is George Wachiuri. I'm the CEO Optiven Group, and Optiven, we specialize on settling Kenyans. We have been in business for the last 23 years, ensuring that our Kenyan people are getting affordable homes, and we are currently in 15 counties, and Kisii is on our Randa. We wanted to invest in Kisii to be our 16th county, and Optiven is not only properties. Optiven is about supporting communities. When I came this morning in this county of Nyamira, we were able to visit different churches, we were able to visit the schools, and we were able to pick two very vulnerable students that we gave a full scholarship. And I'm happy that in the county of Nyamira is on our Randa. You know, we are targeting Nyamira County as part of our 16th county. And I'm happy to say that we have a lot of customers in this county, especially those customers that are in diaspora. Last week I was in Delaware, I went to Boston, I went to Maryland, I was in Baltimore, I went to Minnesota, I went to Arlington, and I saw a lot of community from Gusii community. And I said that, wait a minute, these people are domiciled in the Nyamira County and Kisii County, and I said I'm going to start with the Nyamira County to ensure that we are able to bring back the message home that Optiven is selling properties in the diaspora, people belonging to this particular county. And today we said we are coming here because relatives are here in anticipation to expand the Optiven vision of being the champions of socio-economic transformation. And today's meeting was basically the ice breaking, and we are saying that the people who are living here in Nyamira now is constrained. There's no land in Nyamira. Land here is complete. And Optiven, we have got big properties in Nairobi, we have properties in Vipingo, properties in Nanyuki, we have properties in Nyeri, and we are telling the people of this county of Nyamira, you can be able to think outside the box, you can be able to break the barriers and go out there in Nairobi, go out there in Machakos, go out there in Nyeri, go out there in Kilifi, and you can be able to invest. And today we had many business people who have committed to put their investment in one of our projects in Kilifi called Ocean View Ridge. Others want to invest in Nanyuki. Nanyuki is one of the fastest growing counties. Why? Kenya is now one country. And I'm happy that Optiven, very soon, within a couple of weeks, we are opening our office here in Nyamira County. And I'm so happy that the people have been very receptive, not because of anything else. They know the vision, the purpose of Optiven. And Optiven means optimizing ventures. Optiven is about changing communities socially. Because 5% of the money we generate, the entire 5% go to Optiven Foundation, and that's why we put a lot of charity work. And I'm happy to say that last year alone we did over 1,000 wheelchairs. This year we are supporting about 600 orphans across 47 counties. And now since now we are here, the people of Nyamira are going to benefit more, especially in the scholarships. And you're also saying that we are advocating the SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, and we are saying that we are encouraging our people to plant trees, we are encouraging our people to decarbonize the planet, and this gospel is going to come here. And I was happy to see the officials of the Chambers of Commerce, because the next trip to Nyamira, we are going to speak to all the members of Chambers of Commerce and help them on how to develop their organizations. Remember, George Wachiuri, who is the CEO for Optiven, I also do mentorship. I'm also an author. I've authored 3 books, and one of the books is basically for mentorship, how to start small and build an empire. And we want to speak to these business people of Nyamira. We tell them, Nyamira now is a village. You are now village champions. You can be able to venture in other counties. You can come to Nairobi, you can come to Nyeri, you can go to other countries like Rwanda, you can go to DR Congo, and maybe we shall come and discuss with the Chambers of Commerce on how to empower our people. Because personally, I love business people. Personally, I love mentorship. I run a mentorship called the George Wachiuri called Mentorship, and you are mentoring business people. You know why? The future of Kenya. The future of Kenya is with the businesses. Business people provide jobs. Government has no job to provide. And that's why it's important that the entrepreneurs need to be nurtured. And for example, Optiven, we have a staff complement of 500 employees, and we are targeting 30,000 employees. So my word is to all the business community in Nyamira, let's keep going. No giving up. We have a beautiful country. I happen to travel in a few countries, but Kenya is beautiful. I have seen foreigners dying to come to invest in Kenya. Let us build this nation. And the members of the public, please don't destroy Kenyan properties. Tafadhali, don't destroy properties, because we have no other country to go. The only country we have is Kenya. Let's build this nation. wherever you are hearing me from, mahali unasikiliza hii taarifa, tujenge nchi yetu. Hatuna nchi ingine ya kwenda. The only country we have as a trust Optiven. One of them is we have been in business for 23 years. And those 23 years, we have no issue of swindling customers. And when we make mistakes, those errors don't go to the customer. We absorb the losses. It was only last year during COVID. We paid a lot of money back to the customer for a joint venture that we did that went off. We did a joint venture. It did not go well. And the money was paid to the partner. And Optiven paid money that never came to Optiven. And that's why our brand went up. Number two is that we offer our properties on installments. We know that many people may not afford cash purchases. We are able to give our customers any property, whether the property in the Great Oasis in Nanyuki, whether it is Shidi Gardens in Nakuru, whether it's Ocean View Ridge in Vipingo, whether it is Achievers Paradise in Gong. We are able to give our customers maripo ya pole pole, and people love it. And then number four, why Optiven is we don't sell bare plots. Our properties are value added. We have 5 levels of properties. There is gold level or 5-star. We have 4-star, we have 3-star, 2-star, and 1-star. 1-star, they are very cheap, below 200,000. 5-star is a bit expensive, but this 5-star, we do cabro roofs, we do club houses, we do swimming pool, we do stone perimeter wall, we do solar street lighting, we plant trees, we pipe the water on every property. And then depending on what you want, you can be able to select from our website www.optiven.co.ke. You can select any property. All our prices are available online. Whether you're in diaspora, whether you're in Kenya, our prices are available online. www.optiven.co.ke. And then finally, why Optiven? Optiven is different from any other real estate. You know why? 5% of our money we give back to the community. We have children we support. We have schools we supply sanitary pads. We have old people. Next week we are launching a house in one of the projects called Garden of Joy in Machakos, whereby we did a house for a lady who was cancerous, called Lady Leshao. And other than 5%, I'm another. All the money from my books are for that 3 books. All the money from my books, George Wachiuri does not eat a coin. The entire money goes to the foundation. You know, this is 1,000. This is 1,500. Pesa hii yote inaenda kwa foundation. You know why? I am a product of a community. I was educated by old women. I was educated by Harambes. I am from a single mother. You know, I know what poverty tastes. You know, this is a man who slept without food for 5 days. This is a man who tried 15 businesses that collapsed. You try this one, it collapses. You try this one, you are auction. Optiven is the 16th one. So we are a living testimony that persistence, commitment, networks, hard work pays. And that's an encouragement to people who are listening to us. Don't give up. If George Wachiuri did not give up after failing 15 times, please do not give up. Keep going.
Thank you.